NASA's Starliner capsule is making weird sounds. Sunita Williams and Butch Wilmore, now on the ISS, reported hearing pulsing noises from the Starliner. Imagine hearing a steady sonar-like pinging. Definitely not what you want in space. Rob Dale, a meteorologist, shared the eerie recording where you can hear the sound clear as day. Mission Control is investigating, but they haven't responded to media yet. NASA says it's not unusual for astronauts to hear odd sounds, though. Given Starliner's history with helium leaks and thruster issues, these noises are raising eyebrows. Williams and Wilmore were supposed to return soon, but now they'll be aboard a SpaceX capsule in February. Their empty Starliner will attempt a solo return in early September. Stay tuned for more updates on this cosmic conundrum.